Guys, welcome back to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and click the bell icon so you will get know about my upcoming video. So now we have topic of peace, a coin to prevent war. I don't know what this is language, so I'm not reading it. Peacecoin aims to influence geopolitics towards a more liberal, balanced, and peaceful environment. We believe that the balance of military power makes war unlikely to happen. Therefore, Peacecoin token will transfer 1% of each transaction to a wallet we create from Taiwan mode as a moral, financial, and influence sport. Doing so, each owner of the Peacecoin token can distribute to peacekeeping before it's turned into an unstoppable WW3 and favor liberalism versus pen policies never have the power of a united anonymous individual, being a virtual that influential. So now tokenomics. Each transaction triggers a 1% free transfer to a wallet set from for Taiwan mode. 1 billion piece coin will be generated, 40% will be burned, 50% will be locked in liquidity on PanSwap, 10% will go to the team wallet. Military force. China. Budget. Head count. Warship and aircraft. You can read it. Taiwan. Budget. Head count. Warship and aircraft. Roadmap. Peacecoin website, Telegram, Twitter launch. Second, communicate the address Credential to the Taiwan mode. 3. Pancake swap launch. 4. Press release. 5. Get listened on major exchange. Come talk with us. Any question or remark, touch in Twitter or Telegram. If you have any question, you can contact there. If you have any question or mark, you can contact there on Twitter and Telegram. So this is a topic of peace coins. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.